Look at Kevin, bro. Oh my god. Look at my Uber, guys. No way. I'm really carless out here, guys. We in LA, and I don't got my GTR, so Kevin came to pick me up. Oh, you saw that yours? I could have sworn that was yours, right? I was looking at my camera.
What's up?
Uber?
How much? I give you 20 bucks.
There's no way.
Hi Daniel, how are you?
We're stopping by, man.
We made it. What's up, guys? You watching another video. We are out here in LA, as you guys see. The homie Kevin picked me up. I was out here already, and I was like, what can I do today, bro? I need to make a vlog for you guys. I haven't filmed in a while. So I hit up Kevin. Kevin lives like 5 minutes away from where I was. I was like, pick me up, bro. Let's go make a vlog. Let's do something. And I thought of a good idea. The homie Daniel, as you guys know, as you guys just saw him, this is his house. I've been here before in one of my vlogs. But the homie Daniel has this M4. You guys have seen his car before. Austin yellow M4. Beautiful car. I'll show you guys right now. But he got a new car, and this car is amazing, bro. It's insane. I cannot wait to show you guys. It looks incredible, bro. Like, it's one of the sickest builds and sickest cars I've seen in a while. I haven't seen it, actually. This is my first time seeing it. But he built this car from scratch. So he built it, I'll tell Daniel right now how long ago he built it, but he built it from BMW from scratch. So he got to pick the interior, the seats, the custom exhaust, the paint, everything. He got to pick it and build it from scratch. It's awesome. One day, hopefully, I'm able to do that. That'll be freaking sick. But anyways, we made it to Daniel's house. The homie Kevin, Daniel, and this is Daniel's M4 right here, F82. And then he just picked up the new car that we're gonna show you guys right now. But look at this thing. I'll show you guys real quick. We got the carbon fiber wing. Really sick wing, bro. I don't know what kind of wing that is, but it's actually sick. We got a carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber exhaust, and performance. Now, one thing about Daniel's cars, they're ridiculously clean, bro. Like, he takes very, very good care of his cars. Very good care of everything, bro. Look how clean his house is. You got the sick ass tail lights. I think these are very expensive. HRE wheels, very expensive. Insane, bro. Look at that. Jeez, look at the clearance. How does he fit that, bro? That is crazy. But yeah, HRE wheels, not cheap. I'm gonna ask him how much he paid for these wheels too. A lot of questions I want to ask Daniel, bro. Oh my God, look at this. I'm telling you, it's ridiculous. His cars are insane. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here, by the way, if you guys want to look at his Instagram, check out his cars. He's also trying to start a YouTube channel too, which I think he's already posting, so go check out his channel, check out his videos. He shows all his cool BMW builds. But yeah, look at this. Damn, bro. A lot of money spent on this car. Changed every little bolt to titanium. Really, really sick. But yeah, anyways, enough of this car. It looks really beautiful, but I gotta go see his new car. Oh my God, bro. It's been just sitting in here?
Yeah.
It smells like a whole new car in this whole garage, bro. Oh my God. I don't even know how to show it. Bro, it's so nice. Alright guys, you guys ready to see it? He got a Lambo. It's the price of a Lambo? How much did he pay?
I feel like 120.
120. What do you guys think it is? $120,000 car right here. Oh my God, bro. All right, here is his new car. Damn. Look at this. It's a G80 M3. I don't even know any of the specs, bro. You gotta help me. You gotta help me, Kevin.
It's a 1 of 1.
Is it really?
Oh my God.
I just hit my head. Bro, imagine if I fell in the car. Daniel would kill me, literally. If that fell in his car right now. I would probably kill myself too. So it's been in his garage for like 3 weeks now because he's getting it all paint corrected and PPF. He wants to get it perfect before he even drives on the road, before it gets like damaged, because obviously this paint is like super rare and super beautiful, bro. So he's getting it all PPF so he doesn't get rock chips. Yeah, it looks crazy. So it's been just sitting in his garage. Look at PPF.
Crazy. It's a 1 of 1.
Is it really?
Here in the States, yeah.
No way, why?
It comes from the E36.
Oh, because this color?
Yeah.
This is the only color in the United States?
Yeah.
No way.
It came off the E36. He did red with the bucket seats, carbon ceramic brakes.
The exhaust.
The exhaust was like $8,000.
No way, bro.
Yeah,
I've never seen this on a G80 in person. I've seen it in photos, but what kind of exhaust is this, bro? Look at that. You got the center exit exhaust, Daytona violet purple paint, which is a very rare. So I guess this is the only purple G80 in the world.
Yeah.
And then the interior is amazing, bro. You got red interior. Can I open it?
Yeah.
The alarm goes on? I'm scared. Oh my God, he has the carbon seats too. These are the exact seats I want if I get one, bro. The exact seats, the exact interior that I want. You guys always hear me talking about it. The carbon bucket seats in the G80, but he has the red ones. This is what I want, red interior.
It's sick.
I want this exact car, but I want black, bro. I want the black paint with the red interior. Or red paint with red interior would be sick. You want orange?
Orange.
Is there an orange one? Guys, this is so sick. Look at these seats, bro. Obviously, the car has probably like 0 miles, too. It's brand new. Look at it. This shit's brand new. That is crazy. He's probably going crazy
I know.
that he can't drive it. I'd be going crazy.
3 weeks, you can't drive it.
He hasn't driven it at all, guys. He doesn't even want to take it outside because he wants to get a PPF first. But damn, these wheels are sick too. I like these wheels on them.
As you notice, the emblems aren't the regular BMW.
I know, I saw that. They're new?
Like the 50th anniversary ones. Celebrating like the 50 years.
Sheesh. That's so crazy.
Carbon roof.
It is a competition. Bro, this has to be like very expensive. Build on.
Crazy.
God damn, bro. Tell me these seats aren't sick, guys. This makes me want to get one so bad because, bro, it makes the GTR interior look so ugly and so cheap.
Daniel needs to get the purple phone.
Oh yeah,
to match
that
this
literally
car.
matches it. Huh? Damn.
Say, bro, you should get one.
Yeah. Can you lend me some
Yeah,
money?
huh?
Can you lend me some money?
Yeah.
Bro, if we sell my GTR and the Z and the, what is that? Is that my vlog? No, he's watching my videos, bro.
I think it is.
But yeah, the seats are my favorite thing of these cars. Full carbon fiber bucket seats. They're probably not the comfiest, but really sick. Can I sit in it or do you get mad?
Do it.
I'm gonna wait.
Sit on the roof.
Engine bay literally looks brand new. Look it.
I know. Be
Oh.
individual.
Individual. I thought it was wrapped. No, I'm just kidding.
It's individually wrapped.
Individually wrapped, bro. Are you gonna put HREs on it?
I am.
I knew it.
I'm kind of debating on what to go
Which
with.
ones?
I want to go with like a,
Must be nice.
I like the 3-piece. But
Damn. Bro, I hit my head on your bike. Imagine it fell in the car.
uh,
You would have killed me, huh?
yeah, no.
There'll be no more FindingNick vlogs, bro.
I'm actually just glad that you hit your head there and not on these right here.
I know.
Had you hit yourself here, you would have had a concussion or something.
But yeah, this thing is beautiful, bro.
Thank you.
Can I sit in it?
Yeah. Go
Or do you want me to?
Yeah, no, go for it. Oh, bro. Kevin sits on the passenger side.
Bro, I've never sat in these seats before.
You know,
Wow, bro,
it's
that's so
really
sick.
trippy to get in on it. Go ahead.
Put a towel in, bro.
Should I? Bro, this is insane.
You didn't take your shoes off.
Should we take my shoes off too? Look at the key, guys. Damn. It's so sick. Daytona Violet. I was gonna go right here. The
wanna
button's
get
right
the
here now.
exhaust too?
Look, they're trying to copy GTRs, bro. They put
Wanna
the
get the exhaust clip?
they put the button in the middle. Damn, it's ready to go, bro.
It's quiet. It's too quiet. So.
It's not bad. This is sick, bro.
That new car smell.
It literally smells. I'm
so
telling you guys, the
good.
whole garage smells brand new because of this freaking leather.
Insane, bro.
Oh, it's gonna make me want to get a new car, guys.
Bro.
I just want something new with all this new stuff, new technology, screens everywhere. Can you do this thing?
Yeah, that's what it's doing right there.
For real? It's sick. You can lower the volume like this,
Yeah,
guys.
you
Look
see
at
all
it.
the
Look at the
way
volume. Look, you can lower the volume, guys, like this with your finger and raise it.
Well, right now we're getting a bunch of static.
But still, that's crazy, bro, that you can do stuff like that. Like, the technology in this car is crazy. And you got the
already
ambient
bad.
lighting, too.
Yeah. The ambient lighting on this one is so much different.
Damn! No, I don't want to rev it. No, you can rev it. I'll record. Bro, this exhaust is crazy. I've never seen this on any car, bro. Like a center edge. Damn. It does sound a little quiet, but it sounds good. That's crazy, bro. Like Kevin was saying, I think it's like an $8,000 option, bro. Daniel, bro, adopt me.
Aaron, wasn't it sport plus?
It's louder now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now it sounds good. Yeah, that sounds good now. It's actually nice, bro. I like it like that. Not too loud. This does sound deeper, bro.
Like a rumble, like a deep rumble.
I like this sound way better than F80, honestly. Anyways, I really wanted to come to Daniel's house, show you his new car. It's insane, bro. Congrats to Daniel. This shit is sick. Crazy ass spec. Purple on red interior. At first I was unsure about that, but it actually looks really good in person. And yeah, I didn't even know that. This is the only one in the US, I guess, with this purple color. Imagine, bro, having like the one of one car in the US. Must be nice. But the exhaust is really 8,000?
It's the exhaust with diffuser.
Ah.
So that's the whole
everything?
That's not the combo.
Oof, that's crazy.
I actually just took off the sticker.
The window sticker?
Yeah, do you want to see all the
I'm down.
All the options on it?
It was a lot.
Almost another M.
What's the damage? 120. That's sick.
Yeah, so that's,
was it more than that? Was it more than that though?
Honestly, I got lucky.
Really?
This is like my 6th car from that dealership.
Ah, you got the BMW.
Yeah, I got the family treatment.
That's tight.
So they lubricate it before they put it in. You know?
Oh my god, that's not too bad, bro.
Not really.
For like a really sick spec like this.
And that's honestly the only reason why I kind of justify the amount of price.
Never seen that exhaust on the G80.
I know, you don't, man. Like, they have to spec it out like that, which a lot of dealers don't do.
Or no one got Daniel money, huh?
Yeah.
Just kidding. Look who it is, guys.
What's up?
Damn, G.
What's up,
Did you bring your M4?
Yep.
You want to race? We're out. But yeah, that's Daniel's car. Thanks for showing me, bro. I cannot wait to see this thing drive, dude. It's gonna be so sick. We out. That was Daniel's house. Cool ass car, bro. I cannot wait to see it drive. It's almost done getting PPF, then we can start driving that car. But we're gonna hop in. Ariz's this just has an M badge, just not the M, right?
No, it's a 3.5. 35i.
Is it X4? Yeah. Damn! It's like a little year. No way. So Ariz has an M4 convertible. You guys have seen his car before.
How did he make it? I'm fucking.
How did he get in here, bro? But he has an M4 convertible. You guys have seen him drive crazy in all of my vlogs. But he also has this. This is his daily. What's up, G? When are you getting a new car?
Hold on. I don't want it to hit my car, bro.
When are you getting a new car?
Tomorrow.
Bro, why don't you sell both of them and build a G80 like that?
I like the M4 CS.
That would be sick.
That was sick.
Imagine. I'll sit in the front, guys.
Me and Daniel, we're gonna relax in the back.
Does it have seat warmers?
Yeah.
Seat massagers?
Yeah.
No way.
The massagers, you need to have a back passenger.
Kevin, massage my back.
Yeah, you want me to massage real quick?
Red interior?
Ambient lighting, 700 horsepower.
The girls like it?
Faster than
Oh, I thought you was about to take the red light, bro. God, that's pretty fast, bro. Oh my god. Bro, it is fast. God damn. You would not expect this, guys, from an SUV. And with 4 people in here.
And we're comfortable. Hey, you know what? Eric, let's just go to Vegas, bro. Keep going.
I'm down. M4 steering wheel?
M4 CS.
And it fits?
Yeah.
That shit's sick.
With the 2022 paddle shifters.
How much was this?
Like 1,000. You see, that's the new paddle shifters.
Oh yeah. How much were your wheels on your M4?
The wheels on the M4, they were
$200.
like they were 10K.
10K? Oh.
10K. But now it's like they're like 13K. See,
13K.
these are the R101.
Oh, those are sick. These are sick too.
I told you guys, HREs are no joke. Whenever you see them on cars, you know that you spend a lot of money. Daniel's over here trying to figure out which one he's gonna put on the
Only
G80.
$2,000 wheel.
Huh?
$3,000 wheel.
36 times 12,000, guys.
These are kind of low, underrated.
That look crazy on a G80. Imagine no one has them.
Yeah, those are pretty sick.
Cherry came up with some carbon fiber wheels. $26,000 wheels.
26,000? No way, carbon fiber wheels, guys. Look at that.
6,000.
What's your height?
Each,
6'5"?
bro.
She's 6'5"?
6 grand each, guys.
I like the carbon fiber wheels.
The whole barrel.
Bro.
That's hard.
It's a carbon barrel though.
Right? Is it?
It's a Coyote.
Oh my.
Bro, it is, right?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah, I'm
Coyote.
hopping. All right, later, Nick. It's good seeing you. Where?
Right there, there's a coyote over there.
It's walking over there.
Oh shit! There's another one right there.
Aaron's got scared. Alright, guys, we out. So let's go.
Bro, why are you in my car?
I'm gonna go home with you, Kevin.
No, you're not.
Bro, I'm homeless, bro.
I know you are.
And I'm
but-
carless right now, too. And girlless.
Damn, bro.
I'm
Your
going
life
through
is
it.
just fucking going down.
We're driving to the house.
Nah.
Come on, bro. I crashed that bike.
I need gas.
Drive safe.
You too.
Freaking Kevin, bro. Alright, guys, we out. Alright, guys, I wake up the whole neighborhood.
Yeah. Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.